Hello everyone, warm welcome back to YAJE'S Garden. YAJE here with another gardening video. Today's video is a continuation of the series I'm doing on growing a rare, unique peanut known as the Transkutukù peanut or the jungle peanut. In today's video, we are going to be transplanting the peanuts that I already started from seeds in ground. If you're interested in seeing how I started the peanuts from seeds, I'm going to put a link to the video in the description box. And my peanuts have sprouted. Today is March the 10th. These are my jungle peanuts, the special peanuts. I started them in cells because I didn't just want to put them in the garden. I didn't have too many of them. Plus, squirrels and other rodents can eat my peanuts if they're out there. So they're growing in these seed cells, and I will take them to the garden very soon. My peanuts are ready to go in ground. Look how beautiful they look. These are my jungle peanuts. Started them from seeds on the 2nd of March, and today is the 23rd. So they are about 3 weeks post, 3 weeks, yeah, from the day I sowed the seeds to now. I'm gonna be planting them right here along the edge of this bed right here. I've added tons of compost and manure, and the soil is très rich. This is the space for my peanuts. So let's get planting. I'm spacing out the peanuts about 15 inches apart, but you can space them anywhere between 8 to 12 inches. I just use 15 inches because I'm gonna be planting other things in between or around my peanuts. I'm so excited to grow these unique peanuts in my garden this year. And if you would like to grow along with me, check the description box for where you can get the seeds so you grow along together with me. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and leave a comment. It helps my channel grow. Thank you so much for doing that. These peanuts take about 4 months to mature. That is 120 days to maturity. After transplanting any vegetable, do take the time to deeply water so your roots can establish and the plants can take off. I'm so excited about growing this vegetable. I'm gonna keep you posted. My garden is in Houston, Texas, Zone 9A. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I have earned your subscription if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. Please like, comment, and share, and grow a garden. Until next time, bye-bye. Happy gardening.